What's up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Hopefully a safe day. Hopefully you guys working, not getting laid off. Oh my god. Today's video, guys, quick video, guys. Just want to answer a quick question that Super Weld asked on my last video. He said, Manny, who makes the best welder machine to weld pipe in the United States? If you go by popularity, Lincoln been making welders for a long time, and I'll give you a little history for that. In 1911, guys, was a landmark in the welding history. That's when 1911. That's when Lincoln introduced the first portable welder in the world. There was no other welders out there. Lincoln was the first one, and since then, that's when pipe liners and Lincoln been welding pipe, stacking iron since 1911. So through the years, Lincoln been perfecting these welding machines. Classic 300 that I have, personally bought it because of the custom art that you can customize it. The SA 300 is pretty good too. You also have the Vintage, which is, I think, the one you can compare to the Pipe Pro. I don't think you can compare this one to the Pipe Pro because they're way different. Vintage, you can probably compare it with the Pipe Pro, but not this one's. Miller is not at that level yet. Lincoln Electric make the best pipe welder machines, because what they are, they're meant to weld all day. The history they have, welding machines, classic 300s, SA 300s with 8,000 hours, 10,000 hours. They just keep fixing them and they keep working and working. I've seen, welders with the gas SAs, black face, red face, you name it. They're 40, 50 years old welding machines, and the reputation of Lincoln, is just the best that you can possibly get. And through the years, guys, Lincoln been improving these welding machines. They went from gas to diesel now for pipe welding because diesel lasts longer. They're DC from the start. They're still handmade DC generators, something that other companies don't have. So since 1911, guys, Lincoln been making the best welding machines that you can buy. They had no competition for a lot of years. Miller is the most close that you can get when it comes to pipeline welding. They've been doing a pretty good job. Like I said, Pipe Pro is pretty good welding machine. You can't really go wrong with that. But if you want the best welding machine that you can get made right now in the United States, you have to go with Lincoln. Can't go wrong. There's no debate on that. Just the other day when I ordered my welding machine, I asked the guy how many Miller's Pipe Pro welding machines have he ordered. People don't go and order Miller Pipe Pro welding machines that often. He said, we have to sometimes wait for we call Lincoln. They said, it's back order. You have to wait, a month or two because they've been, selling a lot of them online. And the major ones, they post pictures of the welders they've been selling. All you see is either a classic 300 or SA 300 that they sell. Congratulations, to this guy. He just bought a classic 300. You very rarely see, Miller's Pipe Pro been sold. So there you have it, guys. That's my 2 cents on this question from Super Weld. He asked, who make the best welder machine these days in the United States, and if you want the best, you have to go with Lincoln. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here down below, and I'll stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.